Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on your mobile device. First, understand that you'll need two main components: the original Doom game files, known as WADs, and a mobile application or source port designed to run them. These apps are available for both iOS and Android, offering various features. Using a physical game controller is highly recommended for the best experience, providing precise movement and aiming. To begin, you'll need the actual Doom game files, often called WADs. These files contain all the game's content, from levels to enemies. The most straightforward way to get official WADs is by purchasing Doom from digital platforms like Steam or GOG on your computer, then transferring the WAD files to your mobile device. For a free option, consider downloading Freedom, which provides a complete, open-source game experience. Once you have your WAD files, the next step is selecting a mobile application to run them. For Android users, popular choices include Delta Touch and GZ Doom, both offering robust features. iOS users also have several excellent options, often found by searching for Doom Source Port in the App Store. These applications provide the necessary framework, often including mod support, customizable controls, and enhanced graphics for a modern experience. After installing your chosen Doom app, transfer your WAD files into its designated folder, usually found within the app's internal storage. Launch the app, select your WAD, and you're ready to play. For the best experience, connect a Bluetooth game controller. This provides far greater precision than touch controls, especially for fast-paced action. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy demon slaying on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.